Hello everybody, this is just a brief announcement for an upcoming API related event. This time it's Infosecurity Belgium. It's happening next week, March 31st and April 1st in Belgium, so to speak. Of course, it's going to be online like all events these days. It used to be in Brussels. It's a great event. You'll hear from a lot of different participants, and topics include cloud, security, AI, digital transformation, and APIs, of course, as well. This is kind of I think a connecting topic, so to speak. I'll be speaking about lessons learned from digital transformation in the trenches. So I will talk a little bit about the experiences that I have had in the last 1.5 years. And I will talk about what I've learned, what I think will help organizations to better plan and execute their digital transformation journey and how to use APIs on that journey. The event is free, so you can just go there, register online, and then you can join and listen to those talks you find interesting. Check out the program. I think it's a great lineup. And like all these virtual events, I think the great part about being virtual is that it's so much easier to participate, so much easier to be part of the community, and it also allows you to just listen to those talks you find interesting, which means it's much easier for you to kind of cherry pick the kinds of things that you would like to see. So come and join us next week. I'm looking forward to it, and hopefully I'll see you there. Bye.